Howdy Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and we have an unboxing. You want to see what it is? Stay tuned. Alright Hon, welcome back. As you can see, this is a box from Home Chef. Their little slogan, meals everyone can cook. Okay, so we are trying a couple of boxes of this, and Marty's here with me. Say hello, Marty.
Hello.
And we just thought it would be, well, I thought, by we I mean I, thought it would be easier to just leave the camera in my Plan With Me setup and go ahead and unbox this so you don't get us on camera tonight. I'm sure you're heartbroken. That says, let's get cooking. Weekly variety, simple steps, family favorites. Let's get cooking. All right, so this has been sitting all day. It came about lunchtime-ish, and then I left the house and we're just getting back. So you see it has the same little lining that Misfit Markets had in their box. And then there's an ice pack. Oh, it still has a piece of ice in it, so maybe my stuff's still frozen. All right, so we got 3 meals for 2 people. I forgot what we got, so let's see. Oh, okay, so it comes with instructions on how to prepare your meals. Right. There is some preparation. What'd you say, Marty? All right.
All right, yes.
There's a little preparation, but they send you everything that you need. So, this is one packet. And I'm assuming this is the, oh, look at that shallot. Ooh. So it looks like there's everything we need in there to get started. Ooh, a cucumber. They even have, Fong Foods Inc. And that is Chinese or Japanese, but the little packet to go with it. So I'm assuming, yep, there it is right there. Tells you this is the Korean style steak tacos. Contains egg, wheat, and soy. Okay. So everything is in this little packet. I love this. I actually love this idea. All right, that's that one. This is going to be a quick video because we only have 3 things. Okay, for this one, let's see, we have, is it caprese?
I think so. Caprese
chicken breast with Parmesan green beans. Actually, these are the 3 choices that were up when I logged in. And the only reason I'm doing this is because we didn't do Misfit Market this week because I didn't like the choices this week or last time. I mean, I had all that stuff already because we had not cooked and there were no new choices and I missed the celery root. So I figured because I'm also an Avon representative, I get Avon perks, and part of my perks was a discount with Home Chef. So I decided to use my $100 Avon perks, which so I get like some off of this one, some off the next one, some off the next one, not like $100 all at one time, but it's off. Look at that garlic. Oh, yum yum.
And we'll see how we like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how we like it. This is Italian sausage pasta with Brussels sprouts, and it has a little container of light cream. And there's some there's garlic. There's some 2. Oh, the Brussels sprouts are in packages of 2s. So, and there's that. So, and there's a little packet of oil, I think it looks like. A little packet of something right there.
You're not kidding.
So everything you need is in that bag. And there, let's see. This says quality ingredients below. Oh, there's another bag. Now this one is still frozen. Okay. So now we have some smaller ice pack to go with all the huge Misfit Market ice packs. Oh, here's the meat. Okay.
That is expensive.
Okay, so here's our chicken breast fillet. And here's our mild Italian sausages. And here is our sliced beef. Okay. So this packet has all of our meat, and they were bagged in separately, and none of it's frozen. So it must not have come frozen. I don't think it defrosted. I think it just didn't come frozen. Because you can go ahead and prepare these. So that's that, and that's it. That's all we got with those three. You can see this box is not very big. So what do you think, Marty, from looking at it?
We can always add food if we're hungry.
That means he doesn't think there's enough food, but it's enough for two. We're going to eat healthier and smaller. So this is the recipe for the Italian sausage pasta with Brussels sprouts. And then it tells you what's in the box and their customizable options, what you will need, like if you need to bring olive oil and salt, you need a medium pot, a colander, and a large non-stick skillet. And then it tells you the temperature of how to cook everything. Prep time, 30 to 45 minutes. Cook within 5 days. I love that. So I know how long I have to before this goes bad. So I have to cook this within 5 days. The difficulty level is easy. The spice level is not spicy. So that's cool. This is a classic meal kit. They have them in classic. They have them in keto. I think it's keto. And they have quick fix dinner. Okay. And then there's the nutrition information down here, the carbs and the all of that stuff. The Italian sausage is processed in a plant that processes peanut, tree nuts, wheat, eggs, soy, milk, fish, and shellfish. So if you are allergic to any of those things, please bear in mind that they do have that. And then there are the instructions with colorful pictures. I love having pictures next to stuff to know what it's supposed to look like. And then it tells you what to do if you want to customize it, like say with Impossible Burger or ground beef, what you can do instead. And it tells you before you cook this, if you're using fresh produce, thoroughly rinse and pat dry. So you get all the instructions you need, look like. And then this is Caprese chicken breast. It's a 15-minute meal kit. Whoop, whoop.
Sounds like tonight.
But yeah, this is going to be tonight because it's already 8:50. We just got home from, I taught Zumba. We dropped off Marty's van at the shop, and previously I was doing belly dance practice. So I've just got home after being gone all day. So it's going to be this one tonight. Again, all that information, and there are your pictures on the back, how to prepare. So hold that one out because we're going to cook that. And then the Korean style steak tacos is a classic meal kit. And there's the information on it. Doesn't that look good? Okay. So I thought these would be good for such a time as tonight when we need to prep a meal, but we're not savvy enough people who put meals out, defrost early enough.
Yeah.
But mainly I just wanted something that could be quick and easy and already, everything's already together so that I don't have to come home and then figure out what we're going to eat. Even though I meal plan, I didn't yesterday, so I had no ideas for today. So I'm glad. I knew this was coming today also because today's my birthday, so I knew it was coming on my birthday. So I knew I'd get one box to open for my birthday if nothing else. I didn't say you didn't bring me anything else. I said if I didn't, I would have known that I at least had this box to open.
Okay. Good.
All right, but he did give me a package to open, so we're good. All right, that being said, do you have anything else you'd like to add or say?
No, I'm looking forward to it.
We're looking forward to it, and we're gonna go ahead and prep this. If you want to check out Home Chefs, I'm going to put all of the details in the description box down below, just like I always do. But I'll put the website information and all of that and the prices. Oh, like I said, this was each meal feeds 2 people, and we have 3 meals. That total was, what did I say, $51? I think it was $51 with tax. So that's $51 for 6 meals. Thing in the bag that you need. I had Avon Perks, so I end up paying $31 for it. So for us, that was a pretty good deal. So we're back. This is our chicken caprese or caprese chicken, whatever it is. All right, so we're going to taste this. The cooking was really simple. I would suggest that you read the entire recipe first and then start cooking. Here, that's yours.
All right, thank you.
Here we go. It's that's the recipe.
Caprese
Chicken breast. It says it's a 15-minute meal, and it didn't take long. But again, I would suggest that you read all of the instructions first, because what it said here that it would cook the chicken later. I mean, the chicken would finish cooking later. So I went on to doing step 2. Then when I get to step 3, it says, now flip the chicken over. Well, I had turned the eye off and taken it off the eye because it said it would, I thought I was going to end up putting it in the pot with the green beans or something. So it's good to just kind of read through the whole thing first so you know the steps. But they do tell you things like, don't use all your garlic salt here because you'll need it again for another part. So that was really good. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, and this is what it actually looks like for us. Now, that one's Marty, this one's mine. Now the chicken we had to cook a little longer. Go ahead and get ready. Oh, you want to say a prayer?
Yes.
I'll zoom past this. So this part here, this dark part, that's where the cheese, am I in here? Yeah, okay, where the cheese was a little, there we go. All right, go ahead. Wait. I was worried about the chicken drying out, so I was trying to really pay a good attention to it. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
I had to add salt and pepper, that's it. Let's try the green beans. Even this Parmesan cheese came with it already. And it's not the powdery stuff either. It was like actually grated Parmesan. Okay.
About to make you hungry.
Now, I was worried about this chicken also too because all it wanted you to put on it was the garlic salt that came. This table rocks, so you got to be careful shaking.
Oh, shaking the lamp. Oh.
Yeah. So I was concerned that the what was I talking about? That the chicken might dry out.
This is not dry, people.
It's not dry. That's for sure. Oh, I was saying that I was worried because they only gave you garlic salt to put on the chicken, and then you were supposed to add your own pepper. I'm thinking, what about some seasoned salt or something? But actually, it's quite good. They gave you 2 slices of cheese, and this green stuff.
Pesto.
Pesto. They gave us a little white cup, about this big. You unscrew about that round. You unscrew the top, and it was pesto in there.
A reusable container.
Yeah. So what are your first thoughts, Marty, after eating it?
It's a win. It's a win. They got it right.
All right. Now, if you remember, Marty's a big fan of green beans. He usually puts a can of green beans and a can of tuna. He puts the green beans in the bowl, puts the tuna on top, and then puts salad dressing on top of that. So you know he loves green beans, but he doesn't often eat a lot of fresh green beans. I tried, don't get me wrong, but he likes the can. So I'm glad that the first one we tried gave him something that he really likes, which is green beans. I don't know if he likes fresh green beans as much as he does canned green beans, but whatever.
I was worried about leaving the chicken in the pan for 5 minutes without turning it over, but the chicken survived. I'm used to, if you're in pan fry something, breaded and all that, but there was no breading involved here, and there didn't need to be.
Nope.
They got it right.
You just put 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil. Now this burnt backside is the cheese that slid off, and of course you know cheese burns, but it doesn't bother me any because I like cheese, so I don't care if it's burned or not. I'm gonna still eat the cheese. I'm amazed that the chicken is not dry. It's so hard to cook chicken breast and not dry it out, I think. We're not gonna make you watch us eat the whole thing. We just wanted to eat a little of it so we'd have a good idea of what it tastes like. So we'd be giving you our honest opinion on it. So far, I'm sold.
It works.
Now, mind you, we buy half a cow every year, at least right now. So we have lots of beef, but I was looking for ways to supplement some of our other meats like chicken and pork and fish and things. So this might actually work for a couple of times a month, not every week, but just to kind of supplement so we're not eating just beef. And if you're wondering what that is, it's like steaks, round steak, T-bone steaks, flank steaks, a couple of roasts.
Lots of ground beef.
Lots of ground beef. Lots. Anybody want some ground beef? Lots of ground beef. And briskets. This time I got the oxtails, and apparently they sent me the tongue, and I don't know what to do with that. So if anybody knows any recipes for cow tongue, let your girl know. But anyway, so we needed to get some other meats. So this might work for me for other meats because it'll have everything that's needed with it a couple of times a month.
I was pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this will all last for 5 days, or at least the first card said 5 days. I'm assuming the rest of them will. No, actually the chicken was only 4 days. One of the other one was 5. The steak probably was 5 days.
Another one was 6.
Okay.
So, yes.
So
it works out well.
it seems like they planned it so you can have one day, one the next, one the next. Okay, so that's cool. Well, that's all we have, guys. Do you want that?
No, I was just going to get out of the way
okay.
so you could close up.
All right. We are going to go finish our dinner and maybe have some ice cream. I hope have some ice cream. And with that being said, hun, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are a subscriber to the channel, thank you. If you are a watcher of the channel, thank you. And if you are new to this channel, thanks for watching. How about you click that subscribe button down below? And that goes for anyone who likes the channel. Yeah, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and log out so we can finish eating. Remember, hun, if you are having a good day,
help someone else have a good day.
It's those small and simple things in life
that make life worth living.
Love and shimmies, babe. Your hand's not in there. There we go. Bye, y'all.